Here's a quick tip. When you finish doing a takeoff, an earthwork takeoff, make sure that you record it in this block here. And you just want to grab it from our standard blocks, move it up here. I usually do it kind of off to the right somewhere. And it needs to be big enough that people will see it. And record the date that you did the takeoff, and then we know what's happened over time. What typically happens is that people do a takeoff, they don't record anything, they may tell somebody what the answer is, and then the next time we do a takeoff, there's no recordation of any information. So make sure that when you do the takeoff, you record your information here. So I'm going to do 4/17/25. This one is takeoff number 2. I'm going to go back and try to get this information in a few minutes from the person that did that yesterday. And this one had, and you just want to round to the nearest 100 yards because it's not an exact science. So the cut was 81,800. 81,800 cubic yards. Fill was 10,500. 10,500. And that was adjusted. And then the net is 71,300. 71,300. And now when we make changes in the future and then we come back and do another takeoff, we'll just simply add on to this, and we might have 15 takeoffs over the course of the thing. But we want to have this record of what's happened so we kind of know where we were and what the date was. We can go back and look at the grading plan and see why did it have so much cut, or why did it have so much fill, and what has changed. So just make sure that you do that every time you do a takeoff, and that'll help everybody that comes in and works behind you. And that's it.